Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nothing token. Now the Nothing token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 27th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Nothing token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Nothing token, name of the token is Nothing. Ticker symbol is also Nothing. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. So it says the Nothing project journey starts at just 0 point and then 4 zeros and an 8 USDT. It's more than just a token. It's a community-driven mission to turn nothing into something. As we reach $1, watch Nothing transform, marking our collective triumph in redefining value. Be part of this 100% fair launch and shape a new era of cryptocurrency. Now, obviously, them saying, you know, we're going to get to $1 is just a guess. It is just high hopes. Then there's always volatility, and who knows what's going to happen in the future. So, but this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 27th at 13 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Nothing, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. If you want to follow their Telegram, it is at Nothing Cash. They have 7,988 members, 1,116 of them online. That's a good place to join the discussion, their community, and, you know, chat about the token if you'd like. Now they have a Twitter that I'm going to put, as usual, up in the corner of the screen here, at Nothing, and then it's a bunch of numbers. 311-02008. But you can see right there on their Twitter, they do have a link to their webpage as well, nothing.cash. So if you go over there, you're going to find all the info. This Twitter just joined in December 2023, so this project is basically barely a month old here. It says, poor people have it, rich people need it. If you'll eat it, you'll die. And then it says they're from nowhere. They only have 238 Twitter followers so far. One tweet says, welcome to Nothing, a social experiment in value creation, the Nothing token. So their one tweet here is basically them applying for CoinGecko. So it's them tweeting at CoinGecko saying, hey CoinGecko, we applied via listing, and then it has their registration number. So they most likely will be listed on CoinGecko very soon because they already have a number going on there. Now, like I said, this token's on the Ethereum blockchain, so there's 18 decimal places on this token. It's an ERC20 token with a max total supply of 311,020,080 Nothing tokens. So far, they have 480 holders, so they're off to a good start here. Now, obviously, they're not listed on Mexc Global until tomorrow. So the way people have gotten this token is through Uniswap. So it's a decentralized exchange. So if you did want to get it off Uniswap, you could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Nothing token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, nothing.cash. Now you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll have a look to see if they talk about that on their webpage. They do have a button. If you go to nothing.cash, it says buy on Uniswap. So you can just click on that. That will take you right to Uniswap. Right beside buy on Uniswap, it says read white paper. And this is funny because if you click on read white paper, it is a 14-page PDF. So you look at it, it says Nothing token on the first page. Then it has table of contents. And so it goes through market analysis, technology and technical details, tokenomics, roadmap, team and advisors, legal stuff, risks, financial projections, token utility, conclusion. But the funny thing is 14 pages you scroll through and there's nothing on the paper. So it's all blank. It's kind of just a joke because it's the Nothing token and there's nothing on their whole white paper, except when you get over to team and advisors. It looks like a Squid Games guy with the big zero, like the Nothing symbol on his head, all dressed in black, and it says no one, the creator. So anonymous team. It's kind of sketchy to have an anonymous team, and you know what I mean, the Nothing token. And I don't see an audit as of yet. I don't see a KYC. I don't see much security, so just be aware of that, first of all. So it says the power of consensus. Now this is on their webpage. This project is a statement against the traditional mechanisms of centralized finance where the power often resides with a select few. In the world of Nothing, each participant has an equal opportunity in the journey of value creation. A journey from zero to hero. Nothing will start at a certain price, then hopefully reach $1. This milestone is a symbol of our collective belief. And then it says a collective belief, read the white paper, which has nothing on it. Transformative impact. For every token holder, this transformation is immediate and impactful. The moment Nothing turns into something, every piece of Nothing is in your digital wallet becomes something. A reward for your faith and support. It's kind of a clever idea, I guess. But yeah, they have the tokenomics on here. So it says a supply with a story. A total supply of 311,020,080 tokens symbolizes the release date of the Bitcoin white paper, 31/10/2008, which inspired millions of people to collectively create value using consensus. The Uniswap pool, aka Pool of Dreams, will include 100% of the token on the side of a mere $25,000. On the other side, the initial market cap for the project is $25,000. I don't know what it is now with their 400 and something holders. So they do have a token metrics allocation pie chart here where it says 50% of the tokens go to the community, 10% of the tokens go to the community, 15% of the tokens go to the community, and 20% of the 25% go to the community. So again, they got jokes over here. They're trying to be funny with their blank white paper and their token allocation pie chart, which is basically everything's in the Uniswap pool. So it says belief shapes reality, the essence of 100% fair launch. Nothing is more than just a token. It's a demonstration of how belief and consensus build value. As a social experiment, it is designed to educate and enlighten on the dynamics of value creation. In an unconventional move in the crypto world, we're launching Nothing with a 100% fair launch. Join us on this exploration of value in the digital world. And then there's again, it talks about the creator, which is no one. It's just all jokes on here, basically. And then they say, stay tuned for Chapter 2. They do have a Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter link at the very bottom of their webpage, and you can check it out at nothing.cash. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment and check out all the referral codes, especially that Mexc global one where this token will be listed tomorrow. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.